You know what you could do with some of that revenue? You could buy yourself a phone number.
Can I?
Yeah, you could buy yourself a lucky phone number
Oh.
at an online auction in China. Now, I had to ask a couple people around the office here what the luckiest number was in China, and actually Vin knew right away. He said number 8. And he was right. 8's a really lucky number. Some are not lucky. 4 is not lucky. Anyways, somebody spent $300,000 in order to get a phone number ending in 5 8s. There were hundreds of bids on that particular number. 8 is the most sought after digit in China. Why does that say hundreds of bids? Then down here it says 5,000 bids. That's more than hundreds, Will. The number was among assets seized and ordered to be auctioned by a court in Beijing. I don't know why the guy got his number seized. What's he been up to? Anyways, an online sale attracted more than 5,000 bids between Saturday and Sunday. Phone users in China, especially companies seeking to impress clients and business partners, often pay a premium for combinations of digits considered lucky. Imagine you rolled up with a bunch of 4s in your phone number to China. I got a few. I got one. I got 1 4.
Do you?
Yeah. How many 4s you got?
I got 2.
You got 2 4s?
Yeah.
Get
I'm
out of
dead
town. I'm
bad.
doing no business with you, man.
Gone.
How many 8s?
I got 2. Kind of balances out. How many?
I got 2 8s.
Oh, okay.
Are we giving away our phone numbers right now? Is that what's going on? People are doing it's the meme. It's the beautiful mind meme.
All the equations.
The equations. They've got it now, Will. Anyways, it's kind of a funny story. I didn't even know you could bid on phone numbers, but I guess you could bid on anything really. People bid on URLs. People bid on
License plates.
People bid on handles on social media. So yeah, why not bid on a phone number? Even though I don't really call anyone anymore. But there's some other lucky numbers. Apparently 7 is good. The number 7 sounds like a rise or life essence. A lot of it has to do with what the number sounds like, and that's why 4 is a problem, because the number 4 sounds like death.
Yes.
So anyway, there's your little number superstition lesson.
Fun fact.
And if you got a bunch of 8s in your phone number, just know it will be worth a lot of money in China. Although I don't think you can bring your number. I don't know.
People will take business.
President Trump